Hi everyone, if it's your first time over here and you're into the weather like all the rest of us at J7409 Weather, please subscribe. Click subscribe, then don't forget to click the bell to make sure you get all the latest in weather news, forecast, watches, warnings, and any storms that may be coming your way. Hi everybody, Jewel here with you with J7409 Weather. And first off, I want to thank everybody for joining me today to check the weather out. I really appreciate it very, very much. We're looking at the map now this morning, checking out everything down in the tropics, right on up through the eastern seaboard. As you can see, Andrea did try to get a little bit of spin, but the high pressure came down, pushing it off, and all those clouds up above it is a low pressure pulling it on out. So it's no threat at all, and we have no chance of anything happening as of right now through the next 5 days. The biggest weather story today: the strong, severe weather and stormy weather conditions are going to continue across the plains, and the temperatures are another big deal. They're going to be exceptionally cool from California to New England, while everyone else down south to the mid-Atlantic, we're going to be very, very warm. This is the GFS map this morning, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And before I even turn it on later on, you know how far this goes out. You might see something come up trying to form in this area. There's no sign of it now because it's way too far out. It's in June. It's not going to show up on anything. So don't get too excited about it, but keep it in the back of your head, and I will keep my eyes on it and check out other places to see what may be coming out of what you see come up. Okay? So now we're going to turn it on. Today we need to concentrate, though, because everybody in Kansas and those areas, horrific hail yesterday. Flooding is still going on, folks, and it's awful. People are dying. We need to keep these people in our prayers. And it's all because of an active weather pattern now. We have an active weather pattern. It's going to continue across much of the U.S. with a western U.S. trough and a southeast U.S. ridge. Now, you put all those things together, it's leading to episodes of strong to severe storms over the Great Plains. Now, the current low pressure system over the upper Midwest this morning is forecast to weaken as it lifts northward towards Canada by tomorrow. Now, the next upper level low will encompass much of the desert southwest through tomorrow, with widespread light to moderate precipitation expected to continue across a large section of the western United States, with well below normal temperatures for this time of the year. Now, the Sierra Nevada and the higher elevations of the central to northern Rockies will likely have additional accumulating snow. It's just another opposite weather pattern to be the case across the eastern half of the nation. Just totally opposite, folks. An upper level ridge and a strong surface high. It's going to keep heat centered over the southeast states over the next couple of days and beyond. Widespread 90s are expected for much of the deep south, extending eastward to the Carolinas. And they're already telling us we may even hit 100 degrees in places. Now, after a couple of days of pleasant temperatures across the mid-Atlantic region midweek, a return to this really hot weather's coming. More summer-like conditions is expected for the end of the week. We have a low pressure system from the Great Lakes. It's going to spread some rain eastward across the mid-Atlantic and New England for tonight and tomorrow, with most of this on the light side. However, as energy from the western U.S. upper trough ejects across the central plains tomorrow, that chance of strong thunderstorms and heavy rains going to increase once again for these areas, with the potential of 2+ inches of rain for some locations from Kansas to Iowa. Now, as we take a look today to see where severe weather may break out, this is the general graphical forecast for today. You can see we do have marginal down from Texas up to Illinois and western, southwestern Indiana. You do have that slight, very slight chance of some severe thunderstorms. Looking like the heaviest is going to be from Missouri into Illinois. Also, we've got marginal outbreaks that could occur all the way to Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, down into Arkansas. So, please be aware, even down in Florida, anywhere it's green, with the weather the way it is right now, folks, we could have that chance of a severe outbreak. It's looking like the strong to severe thunderstorms and tornadoes, large hail, and a lot of wind damage is going to be likely today from central and northeastern Oklahoma into southeastern Kansas and western Missouri. Now, this should occur after today heats up, of course, this afternoon into the evening. And another marginally severe thunderstorm threats are going to be possible across parts of the mid to upper Mississippi Valley and southern high plains all the way to the lower Great Lakes region. Now, as we move on across, this is the tornado chances, much lower than they have been, but they're still there, folks. We've got to pay attention at what's going on. So far as the wind goes, the most heaviest wind should be in Missouri and Illinois today. As we move on across, this is the hail outlook. 30% from eastern Oklahoma to parts of Kansas and parts of Missouri. And we still have that 5% chance up around Ohio and parts of western Pennsylvania all the way through the Texas Panhandle. So please keep that in mind. When it comes to the severe thunderstorms, 10% chance from Arkansas all the way up to Michigan, as you can see. And as the evening and afternoon late hours go by and nighttime comes upon us, you can see right here they're going to expand all the way over into California, Nevada, Utah, Arizona, Wyoming, and Colorado. Also, Oklahoma. Everybody's got the same chance of this late night thunderstorm activity popping up at 10%. That goes through Arkansas, western Tennessee, a little bit of Missouri, Illinois. And for Indiana, you have a 10% chance for most of the state except for the northwestern sections. Ohio, you have it too, all the way down into South Carolina. It's going to increase, as you can see right here. It's going to hop up to 40% for northeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas, and a large portion of Missouri. As you can see, everything in the blue, and that goes up into Ohio and a little bit of northwestern Pennsylvania for 40%. So as this heating continues through today, you're going to see this at 10% pop up for severe thunderstorm. But as the nighttime comes on and this heating keeps building until it cools just a little, it's going to increase. So please be aware, okay? Watch your skies. I know you can't watch them at night, but do keep up with your local weather forecast, or if you have a weather radio or anything like that, please have it turned on, because you could have a severe thunderstorm pop up, and there is this chance that tornadoes could happen with them. Have yourself a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much, all you guys, for everything you do for me. I appreciate it so very much. Words can't tell you. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing them with everybody on your social media to help me keep people safe. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you, and thank you for watching.